The 5-function skincare system is a compact unit that's packed with treatment tools. Before showing all the functions of the unit, we want to mention that if you order the unit, please hold on to your original packaging at least until you've tested all the functions of the unit. Once you confirm everything is working properly, we recommend keeping the packaging for the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functions. This unit comes with a free utility cart where you can keep the unit. To see a video on how to assemble the cart, you can click the link on the top right. You can also take the machine off the cart and use it as a tabletop unit. The control panel is straightforward and easy to use. There is a timer that goes up to 60 minutes. This button here allows you to use the vacuum and spray functions. When you want to use either one of those, push this button and then push the power button. You'll see this bulb start blinking. To spray water, simply cover the hole on the top of the spray bottle. Spray helps to soothe and cool the skin. To use the vacuum tips, all you need to do is cover the small hole on the tip. This will allow a vacuum to be created. Vacuum helps to clean the skin more deeply and to bring skin impurities to the surface. This helps with making extractions easier. You can adjust the vacuum power with this knob. Like all treatments, we recommend starting on a lower intensity and then raising according to client comfort. 3 different vacuum tips are included with this unit. You'll notice that when the timer reaches 0 that the light here stops blinking. This safety feature turns the machine off. To continue with the treatment, all you need to do is add more time to the timer and start again. For the next 3 functions, you can control their intensity with this energy controller. Again, for any treatment, we recommend starting at a lower intensity first. Next, we'll look at the facial brush. The brush itself has a switch that allows you to choose which direction the brush head will rotate. Facial brushes help to cleanse pores deeply and to remove dirt and debris. This unit comes with 5 different brush heads. Next in line is the Galvanic. Galvanic has tons of benefits, including helping to reduce wrinkles, helping to improve product penetration, and more. This unit comes with a negative probe, a rolling probe, and a ball probe. Last but not least, we have the high frequency. High frequency helps with treating acne, improving fine lines and wrinkles, tightening the skin, and more. 3 different high frequency electrodes come with this unit. One last thing to note about the control panel is that you cannot use more than one tool at a time. You'll see that when you choose one function that the other function will turn off. There aren't too many things that can go wrong with this unit. However, one thing that could happen is that it won't turn on even though it's plugged in. If this happens, it could mean that the fuse is bad. Before checking the fuse, make sure that the unit is unplugged. Then on the back of the unit near the power cord, you can remove the fuse with a screwdriver. Inspect the fuse. If the metal inside is broken or melted, it will need to be replaced. Replace the fuse with another of the same rating. If you don't know what the fuse's rating is, you can take it to a hardware store and they can help you find a replacement. Thank you for your interest in the 5-function skincare system. If you'd like to learn more about it, you can click the link on the top left corner of the video screen.